Hey, what's up, besties? It's your girl E.Michelle, and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. If this is your very first time, go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. So today for the budget, I'm going to try a different setup just to see how I like it, because I'm going to use my regular monthly spread to kind of keep track of everything instead of having two separate things. And if this works, then we'll see. If not, I'll just stick to using two different budget things. So I got this from PurpleAngelPlans on Instagram. Hopefully you guys can see that without it looking crazy. But anyway, she kind of like made her own budget sheet, and I thought that was like super cute. And I asked her if I could borrow it, and she was like, yes girl. So that's what I'm going to do today. So if you guys are interested, then stay tuned. Okay, the first thing we are going to do is white out this little tab up here because we don't need that. Hopefully it still looks okay and doesn't look retarded. I think I'll just stick a sticker over that. I wish I could like hold it up. Okay. So on the far right hand side, she used the big long sticker for expenses. Let me find that. She also used some washi too, so I may try to see. Where is it? Oh, there it go. I don't think I want to use the same color she used, because then I feel like I'm like literally recreating everything that she did. But maybe. Okay. So let's stick that one up there. And then I need to make sure I mark the month. Where's my dates? Okay, so I'm going into the book that I'm in the budget sticker book here, and then I'm going to be in this one because I thought this was really cute. So let's do, trying to see. Okay, let's do June in this cute, like, off pink color. Is there such thing as off pink? I don't think so. But it's going to be off pink today. Okay. Put June. And then that is still off center, but that's alright. Doesn't matter. And then we'll put 2018. Should I do it in the same colors or different? Those are different. I'm going to do two different colors because that's cute. Okay. So we got June 2018, and then I wish there was like a budget sticker. That would be really cute. There's one that says budget. So since there is not one, I shall spell it out. And let's use gold just to be different. So I'm going to spell this out really quick. Okay, that looks good. So we're going to keep it right there. So we have our June 2018 budget. So let's go back to our book here. Oh, you know what? I thought these would be cute too. These little post-it notes. So let's put some, we'll probably keep this out to put the post-it notes down for the different categories. Let me see. I'm trying to stay as, you know, I liked her design of it. So first thing she did was listed like her paydays and stuff. So I'll put those up there. Payday stickers. So I can mark what days I get paid. Maybe I'll do like one on this side and one on this side. Probably don't even need that much space. Right there. And then she did a savings pig. We'll find that. Where are my little piggies? Okay, so I put that down, and then I can just kind of go into my little categories that I have. So she did like the groceries and stuff. I want to put one of these calculators down too. You know what? I think I'd use the same ones that she did. That's okay. I hope y'all ain't mad. I just think that's cute. Okay. So, do I have any financial goals this month? I'm going to put that down. So, let's put our financial goal down here at the bottom. Okay, then we'll go ahead and list our bills that we have. So we'll take 2 of these for groceries since I do groceries. You know what? I probably should use, I think there's some small, no, I'll use these. Okay. So I'm going to stick those down there next to each other. Then I'll do the same thing with the gas. I'll stick those next to each other because I'll do that per paycheck. So it makes sense. Make it make sense. Okay. Now let's go to our bills. So these TVs, I need 2 of those, one for Netflix and one for Xfinity. Oh, that's a little off-center, but that's alright. We're gonna make some shake. Anyway, okay, then we have insurance. We'll put that one over here. Okay, and car note. I just feel like I want to stick that one over here. Let's put that one there. No credit cards. Oh, I did have PayPal that I used to buy my wig, and I wanted to put it on my credit card so I could still have some usage on there and pay that off. Okay, so there's that. What else we got? Electric bill. Okay. And we got cell phone, of course. And housing. Okay. Put that there. They are so off-centered. It's alright. Make sure I got all of the ones that I need. Okay. And then there's some blank ones that I can put down for where are the, oh, I need to use one of these. Let's see, I got iTunes. Zip car wash, and I'm gonna put one more for, oh, I should have put Navient. I'll put this one for Etsy, and then I'll add the student loans down there to the bottom as soon as I find the one to look like a little student. because I know they're in here. It's being very petty right now. Oh, there it goes. Oh my gosh, I only have one student loan sticker left. What am I supposed to do with that? Well, gosh darn it. Okay. Let me use one of these automatic payment stickers. And I'm going to put the student loan right there. Okay. Cool. Alright. So let's fill this in. I wanted to put one of these sticky notes down, but I guess I took up too much room. Okay, so we know that I do, this is 2011, and then I do savings of 200, and this was 6-1. I'm just gonna put 6-1 because I know it's really 530, but whatever. And then 6-15, because I know that confuses some people when I put those dates in there. Okay, so for food, I do 150 and 150, and gas, I do 60 and 60. Okay, this is $88, and I'm gonna put the 1st and 15th on there, so I know that that's how much I have to pay. Then we have iTunes 1, iTunes 2, Zip, car wash, and then Etsy. Had to think about what I said. Okay, so iTunes 1 is $16.41, iTunes 2 $2.99, Zip car wash $14.95, Etsy is $75.81, phone bill $123. Oh, electric $150, perhaps. And this is, make sure I know what I'm paying. PayPal was $21.84. And car note, always 5. Insurance is $250. Rent $739. And both the TVs, let's see, I think YouTube TV is $43.69. YouTube TV. And then this is Xfinity. And I'm just gonna put $75 because I think it's some change or whatever left over. Okay, so that's pretty much everything I have listed. So I could do, I'm gonna write this stuff down. It's already over here, so I kind of don't really need to write it down, but maybe I'll write down what I actually spent, if I spend more or whatever, and do this at the end of the month. So my only financial goal was to put, I want to put an extra $200 into my sinking fund. So let's do 6-1, and I want to have this in there by 7-15. Okay, and my sinking fund balance right now was at 500, so that'll leave me at 700 with some extra room there. So my action steps would be Etsy income and no spend weeks. Okay, so So yes, that is what I'm doing. This is really cute. I really like it. I think this is going to be something I like doing because it gives me a little decoration feel. Like I kind of want to add some like little flowers and stuff up there, but that might be doing the most. So I don't know. But yeah, let me know if you guys like this version or if you guys want me to go back to just the simpler writing it down version, going one by one. Let me know what you guys think below, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Mwah! KK, bye!